Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about ignition control for Southbend part number 1175723. Ignition control for Southbend part number 1175723 is a direct replacement part for Southbend ovens. It is designed to control the ignition of the oven's gas burners. The part includes a spark module, spark electrode, and a flame sensor. The spark module is responsible for providing the spark to ignite the gas burner. The spark electrode is responsible for sensing the presence of a flame and sending a signal to the spark module when it detects one. The flame sensor is responsible for monitoring the flame and shutting off the gas supply if it detects an unsafe. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is an ignition control module for a Southbend range. It is used to control the spark that ignites the gas in the oven. Symptoms that this part can fix include oven not lighting, oven not heating up, oven burner not igniting, oven burner flame too low or too high. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the oven door and locate the existing control panel. 3. Disconnect all wires from the existing control panel and remove it from the oven. 4. Install the new ignition control, part number 1175723, in place of the old one, making sure to connect all wires back in their original positions. 5. Securely fasten the ignition control with screws or other mounting hardware as needed. 6. Restore power to the oven and test for proper operation of all functions before closing up the oven door and using it AG. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.